News.
Now, an appeal by the Judicial Service Commission challenging a decision of the High Court that barred the Commission from evaluating candidates for the position of Chief Justice and Supreme Court Judge will be heard tomorrow by the Court of Appeal. However, it is emerging that there is a petition against the JSC appeal. One of the 4 applicants who obtained orders against the JSC has moved to court, seeking to block the JSC from obtaining stay orders of the High Court ruling.
Technology and sports law,
For 10 days, the Judicial Service Commission spent at least 5 hours every day interviewing candidates seeking to be the country's next Chief Justice. The exercise concluded last Friday, and if everything had gone according to plan, the JSC would now be in the next phase of the search, voting to nominate the most qualified candidate, whose timeline is 7 days after conclusion of interviews. The JSC would have also, beginning Monday, interviewed 9 candidates for the position of Judge of the Supreme Court to replace retired Judge Jackton Ojwang. But the evaluation of the 10 candidates for the position of CJ and interviews for Judge of the Supreme Court was stopped by a 3-judge bench of the High Court last Wednesday. The orders followed an application by 4 petitioners who, among other issues, questioned why Professor Olive Mugenda chaired the interview panel, arguing that the acting Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu ought to be in charge. The JSC moved to court on Friday, seeking stay orders against the ruling of the High Court. And the Court of Appeal certified the matter as urgent and slated it for hearing on Monday. But it appears more intrigues lie ahead for the JSC. One of the applicants who obtained orders against the JSC, member Ocharo, has filed a reply to the appeal by the JSC. In his submission, Ocharo argues the JSC, which filed the appeal, is not properly constituted and can therefore not file an appeal. Ocharo is citing the chairing of the JSC panel by Professor Olive Mugenda, who also chairs the board of the Kenyatta University Teaching, Referral and Research Hospital, and the participation of Patrick Gishohi in the commission. According to Ocharo, Gishohi's tenure at the PSC, which he represents, has expired. The matter will come up for hearing before the Court of Appeal on Monday, as intrigues continue to rock the process of picking the country's next Chief Justice and a judge of the Supreme Court. Rita Tinina, KTN News.